Oh no! My ice cream is disappearing! It was a hard scoop a minute ago, and now it is a sticky puddle!
Why does stuff change shape like that? It is because of something called the states of matter.
These atoms are always moving. How they dance determines what the matter looks like. First, we have solids, like a rock, a brick, or an ice cube.
In a solid, the atoms hold hands tightly. They can wiggle, but they can't run away. Next, we have liquids, like water or juice. Watch how it flows.
Here, the atoms hold hands loosely. They like to slide and glide around each other. Finally, we have gases, like the air in a balloon or steam from a hot kettle.
These atoms have tons of energy. They run around super fast and spread out everywhere. And the coolest part? Matter can change. Heat up a solid ice cube and it becomes a liquid. Heat it up even more and it turns into a gas. It disappears into the air. Solid, liquid, and gas. It is all the same stuff, just with different amounts of energy.
So whether it is hard or squishy, it is all matter. Thanks for watching, explorers. Stay curious and see you next time.